बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today I will learn you science chapter number 1, learning to be a scientist. Lecture number 1. Dear students, today our topic is learning to be a scientist. For becoming a scientist, first of all, we would have to know about science. The study of things and events that take place around us is called science. Student, basically, we are living in the world of science. Everything around us invites us to think over it. When we study science, we study about the nature of the things. Observation, reasoning, experimentation, and conclusions are included in science. We learn from science that how to solve a problem and how to improve the world around us. The person who studies science is called scientist. Scientists work like a detective to find the secrets about things, events, and problems. बेसिकली साइंटिस्ट वो पर्सन होता है जो कि इंटरेस्टेड होता है वर्ल्ड अराउंड अस. Scientist is a person who is interested in the world around us and think about them. Thinking about things is base of science. A scientist understands and applies science and helps us to find the answers of problem. साइंटिस्ट एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है जो कि इर्द गिर्द हैपनिंग जो भी हो रही होती है उसके बारे में सोचता है, फिर देन उसके पीछे छुपी हुई रीजनिंग को जानने की कोशिश करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, जब वाटर बॉयल करता है, देन साइंटिस्ट ऑब्जर्व करता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ही ऑब्जर्व दैट वाटर इज बॉइलिंग, देन ही फाइंड द रीज़न व्हाई वाटर इज बॉइलिंग. फिर देन वो एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करेगा. एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करने के बाद नेक्स्ट देन वो किसी भी कंक्लूजन पर पहुंचेगा उस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए, और जो चीज़ें हैपन हो रही हैं उनके पीछे छुपी हुई रीजंस को जानने के लिए. अ साइंटिस्ट नॉट ओनली लुक्स एट थिंग्स बट आस्क क्वेश्चन अबाउट दैम and tries to find answer by performing experiment and collecting more information. Then scientists write down the results and draw conclusion from them. The place where a scientist works is called a laboratory. There are many instruments in the laboratory. There are many machines which help scientists to work properly. They help scientists to make accurate measurement and calculations for the experiments they perform. The scientist equipment placed in the laboratory is called apparatus. Scientists used a method for solving a problem that is called scientific method. The method which a scientist uses during solving a problem and answering question is called scientific method. There are 6 steps involved in solving a problem. Number 1 is identify the question. First step in scientific method is to make a clear-cut statement about the problem. First of all, if we want to solve a problem, we will make a clear-cut statement. For example, if we want to know that how many legs all insects have, then we make a statement for finding number of legs of each insect. So we make a clear-cut statement, that is to find out whether all insects have 6 legs. The second step is to collect information, and for this purpose scientists collect different kinds of insects. For example, for our problem, we will find different kinds of insects around us. The third step is to perform an experiment. This is the most important part of the scientist work. Scientists perform experiment. Like for our problem, scientists use a magnifying glass in order to count the number of legs of each insect have. Then he will record the result after performing experiment and make a list and record the information. जब एक साइंटिस्ट अपने पास बहुत से इंसेक्ट कलेक्ट कर लेता है, देन वो मैग्नीफाइंग ग्लास को यूज़ करके इंसेक्ट्स की लेग्स को काउंट करता है. काउंट करने के बाद वो एक लिस्ट बनाता है जिसमें वो नंबर ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स लिखता है एंड देन उसके सामने उसकी नंबर ऑफ लेग्स राइट करेंगे. देन साइंटिस्ट मेक नंबर ऑफ लेग्स एंड देन द नंबर ऑफ इंसेक्ट्स. The next step is to analyze the result. The next step is to analyze the result, the experiment for our problem, that is each insect has 6 legs. Then finally he reaches a conclusions and draw conclusion, that is it is highly likely that all insects have 6 legs. Then by recording results and analyze the results, a scientist reach a conclusion that it is highly likely that all insects have 6 legs. So we can say that the conclusion explains the solution of the selected problem. So dear student, today's lecture is over. Take care. Allah Hafiz.